I covered my gardenia for the winter, but when I uncovered it, the leaves were all brown, some green, but mostly brown. I do not know what to do. Can you help? I love gardenia, and this would be the second year that it is in the ground. Do I wait to see if it blooms in the spring before I prune? And this is from Carmen, Hendersonville. That's Kim. You probably have a gardenia somewhere, don't you?
I do. And it has been hit by the cold.
Sure, okay.
So, and what I usually do is just trim out what looks dead.
Okay.
And then wait for spring to see if it comes on out.
Okay.
And they have surprised me. So she is a little farther north than
Right,
here,
yeah,
but
Hendersonville.
so, and you just one of those they call prayer plants. You just
It's the prayer plant. Yeah, Miss Carmen. You just, yeah, I always encourage folks, wait to see what happens.
Wait to see what
Isn't
happens.
that half the battle anyway?
Yeah,
Just kind of
yeah.
wait to see,
Yeah.
what's going to take place, and you'll know what to do the next time.
Yeah, we had gardeners have killed many plants, most all of them.
Yeah.
So it just happens sometimes.
Yeah. How should you cover it though?
Well, I don't generally cover mine here, but make sure you have mulched it real well, the roots, because you want to encourage good root growth, and in the winter you want to protect those roots. And the top dieback, a lot of that is just winter damage.
Okay.
So, but if you want to cover it, we use frost cloth.
Right.
Don't use plastic. We
good.
use, they call it Remay. I don't know if that's a brand name, but it's a real thin that the airflow still gets through, but it provides some protection.
Okay.
So.
And it usually has to come all the way down to the ground.
All the way down to the ground, yeah, because
Try
the
to tell
wind
people that
whipping up.
all the way to the ground.
Yeah, and
folks,
you can put bricks or rocks around to hold it down so
Good.
the wind doesn't blow it off.
Good. Yeah, there are a lot around town here.
Yeah, there are. Very
around
fragrant, wonderful in the
Beautiful
summer.
plants.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.